All right, guys, we're here. Hope you're doing great. So today I have a quick tip. We're gonna look at the intro for Thunderstruck by AC/DC. I want to give you a tip on the alternate picking part. So if you're struggling to play the Thunderstruck intro, stick around and hopefully this will help you out. Okay, so, I see a lot of people playing this intro with hammer-ons and pull-offs. Something like this, like... which is absolutely fine. I'm not the type of guitarist that I learn solos or intros or, whole covers note by note. I think as long as you do something that's in the context, then that's absolutely fine. At least that's me, right? Obviously, sometimes you want to learn note by note because you want to take a reference or add something to your vocabulary. But I'm not the type of guitarist that usually learn note by note, okay? As long as, it is the solo, but you change one thing here and there, then that's fine. But with this intro, I think it's super useful for you to play it with the alternate picking, mainly to really help you improve your alternate picking because it's consistent. This alternate picking line that goes like this. I think this part is played throughout the song, the majority of the song at least. I think there are probably a couple of parts there that maybe Angus don't play it, but throughout the song you hear this. And playing it will definitely help, so it's sort of like an exercise. And you can use this intro as your alternate picking practice session, one of the exercises that you can use. Right, and I remember that I had loads of problems with it because I used to start with a downstroke, and playing it with a downstroke, it was never comfortable if I started like this because you start with an open B, right? So you go... I struggle to keep it clean if I start with a downstroke. When I tried to play with an upstroke, it immediately felt comfortable. And I think the reason for that is because that B note, that open B string, it's just before the 1 and the 4th fret on the B string. That's beat 1, okay? So you go, okay? I'm gonna put a metronome at 100 BPM so you can hear how this sounds, okay? So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I'm playing a downstroke on 1 and the upstroke, which is the open B, just before beat 1. Okay, so one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So if you're struggling with this intro, give this a go. Try to play with an upstroke, starting with an upstroke on that open B, and see how it goes. Now I'm gonna play it, put a tab on screen so you guys can learn it if you don't know it yet. So I think that's it. I just wanted to make this quick video to give you guys this tip because it might help you. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comments and make sure you like the video because it really helps the channel. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys very soon. Take it easy.